think that's where the value is, because if people get out of their comfort zone, if they do something that maybe is not so comfortable to the body or whatever, but there's so much more to get from a simple life.
Yeah, but you have everything.
That's what you see. In the end, you survive. You can survive with so much less, and then it brings this joy of this simplicity, the joy of freedom, because you don't have to run after all that stuff. You see that you just lived, and that's what we always do. We always pick up garbage and make signs or make whatever. You have always an idea. All of our things come from the dump. And then we make with bamboo, we make something out of it, and it's nice and it's useful, and you feel so good. It can be so easy, and this is something that I experienced from my first trip to Thailand ever. When a guy in a boat, you want to just drink some water, and a guy in a boat just makes you a cup out of a plastic bottle with even a handle to hold it from, and you don't need anything else, just the simplicity. But I think that's what, in the end, where people can find some appreciation for this kind of life and take something of that experience with them.
Natural stuff like bamboo.
Yeah, you can make anything out of bamboo. Yeah, but also the plastic bags and stuff, we just have to stop producing it and stop using it altogether. We can do without. So many other opportunities of materials that you can use. But it's good if we all do stuff like that. It educates people. Not just educates, but inspires. Like, I have friends that committed to zero waste, and they've inspired me enormously, and they've really, just by doing what they're doing, they're not preaching or anything, but just by doing that, I look at them and I see, oh wow, there's still a lot more that I can do in my daily routines and stuff to reduce waste, and still every day I have to tell myself, you could have prevented this from being used, stuff like this, but it's because of them. So if you make one single little change, other people will notice that, and it will make them think, just like my friends do to me, and I appreciate that a lot. It's so good.